We came to fish. What is going on?
I don't know.
Look at this. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this at the river.
We should have watched the schedule. We really messed up here.
So, what's up guys? It's Jappy Twan. Today, we came to fish at the Riverwalk, but
instead we're entering a kayaking competition.
yeah, so we don't know what's going on really, but I think this event's called Paddle South. I didn't think it was this weekend, but they're having like a kayak competition. They got all these vendors and booths and things to eat and drink and all kinds of stuff. So we're on the island right now. We're gonna check this out, see what's going on, and after, hopefully we'll be able to fish again. Last time me and Brendan went fishing, how'd it turn out, B?
I don't want to talk about that right now, actually.
So let's have a little bit of fun, and then so we just left the Riverwalk. It had a blast. We had a blast down there. We met some fans, met some really cool people. It's always really cool to see you guys out there. Come up and see us, take pictures with you guys. But now
It's way too packed here to fish. So
we couldn't even fish. Like we couldn't even swing back to cast. So we moved to another spot, and hopefully we're gonna catch some fish. I think we're gonna target some skipjack at first.
Skipjack are first because we're just trying to catch fish, and like these dudes are like pulling skipjack out one after the other.
Where we're going, it's actually flooded. So we got our old handy dandy rubber boots on.
Yes, we do.
So let's go get in the water. On. It's too cold. It's way too cold, B. We can't get in there.
And this is where it starts. Thank God for rubber boots.
This is so nice. Not being
Don't fall off the edge.
not being wet.
Emilio, you gotta stay there, man.
Oh, see you later, dude. I think I got one. Oh.
Get him in.
There we go. Yeah.
Well, the first landed fish.
First landed skipjack. No!
Oh, get out of here! Get out of here!
Ah!
Get out of here!
Got him. All right, y'all want this one?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right. Heck yeah, man. Glad I can help out. All right, that's 1-0, B. Looks like this competition's going just how I planned.
Nothing, man. There we go. Yeah, you can have that. Because this ain't no skipjack, boy.
Yeah, it is.
This ain't no skipjack.
That's a skipjack for
This
sure.
ain't skipjack.
It is.
It's a big one.
Oh, golly! What is that? Come here, let me see that thing.
No, I'm going to go over here.
Look how that is a tarpon. That's a baby tarpon for sure. What the heck? I've never seen. I bet you he eats skipjack. That is ridiculous. It's 1-1. It don't matter how big the fish is. It's just the numbers game. That was a monster. I've never seen a skipjack that big. I think I got one. Yeah, I got another one. B! Oh, no! No, yeah, I lost one.
Every time we try to talk.
I know. I'm not gonna say nothing until he's in my hand. It was.
So are we tied up now even though I got the big fish?
Yeah, we're not doing big fish.
You said what?
We're not doing big fish.
Oh, we're not doing big fish. So you're telling me if you catch a striper and I catch 3 skipjacks, I win?
Yeah.
That's a bad game to play. gotta be my PB skipjack.
PB skipjack. I was like, what is that?
Every pack is a really good backlash.
That's not a.
10 out of 10 on the backlash. And it's like the current pulls my bait when I'm trying to undo my backlash. So it makes it more of a struggle. You got one?
I'm not saying nothing until it gets to me.
Oh!
Is he another big one?
No.
Don't say anything.
I'm not saying nothing. Ah! No! Are you kidding me? No!
You just gotta keep that pressure, man. You
Ah!
gotta keep that skipjack pressure.
God, what
Why does it
the?
feel like it just got heavy? Okay, come here.
No!
That's how you get it done, bro. That's how you get it done. Look, this is like, my other skipjack should count for 3. But this is still 1 point right here.
No.
That's craziness. You know what's not good? The amount of trebles that this guy has. I'm playing a dangerous game.
Gosh.
Did you get him?
I think. I'm not saying nothing
I'm
again.
not saying that again.
I'm coming to him. Oh no! Are you kidding me? God!
That's another one.
Oh, we need a net.
A net versus.
God.
Alright, little fishies. I'm telling you, I think we can really get into some stripes. But I just feel like they would bite this bait too. That's why I don't want to switch over to the swim bait bite.
I tried to swim bait all morning, nothing.
I've got this big bush. There we go. Oh my god.
This is crap. Oh, that's a big one.
Another one.
That's a huge one.
Baby tarpon today, baby. Woo! Oh my god.
Let me see this thing.
Look at this.
Oh my
Yes,
God. What is going on?
Brandon J, baby. 10 out of 10. Best skipjack fisherman in the world.
All right, I'm in the hot spot for the skipjack.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, he did it right here. Did you see that? Right here at the bottom.
Like skipjack, get a good video.
Oh, these right here. Hey, watch this, B. Watch.
I want to see it.
Yeah.
Up a little bit. I got Brandon's little micro rod from the out from the from his truck. I don't even know if he knows I got it.
Yeah, I know. Buy your own micro rod, boy.
Here we go. Yo. Oh, this thing casts pretty nice.
How many rocks?
No luck?
Oh.
Dude, try mine real quick just to see how it is.
All right.
You'll see what I'm talking about.
All right. Can't let Brandon see. Now he'll make fun of me. All right, you said just cast it out?
Yeah, just cast it out and pull it in.
All right.
Like as soon as I
Just
throw
reel it in?
water, catch it, yeah.
No tech needed. That's awesome. Might just be me.
Casting it out, pulling it in. The trail.
It might just be me. Oh, God. Or he's just stupid.
Ooh, look at you.
There we go.
Getting more.
I
Y'all
figured it
in
out.
the Competition, you get it. Oh, there you go again. There you go again. There you go.
Ah!
Come on, get it.
Gosh. Okay. I successfully got one. I'm like, water's all over my face right now. All right. Golly. I know.
Yeah, get it. Fish. But I am catching. I don't know where I was going.
Quality notes.
I definitely get it. Oh, look, turtle. Dude, that was like. Look at it, Tristan.
Where?
Keep it, dude. No, seriously, that is like a cool kind of thing to find, a little note.
Got another one. Brandon.
Did? Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I gotta hurry up before.
Now.
I gotta hurry up.
Let's go.
Emilio's got one? Hey! Emilio's got one!
Actual first fish.
All by yourself this time. Hold up. All by himself. Congrats, bro.
There you go, man. Knock it off. That's cool, man. Good job. I'm proud.
Now he's like, hey, Brandon, will you take my fish off? Thanks for letting me use your rig, bro.
No problem, man.
Have a good day.
Man.
It was nice meeting you.
I'll see you guys around.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, you got a YouTube channel. You do bodybuilding, eating challenges, some fishing on there too. So shoot me your link for your YouTube channel and Instagram. And guys, if you're watching this, he's got a YouTube channel. He's a really nice guy.
Check him out.
And go check him out. Yeah, for sure.
Appreciate it, bro. Have a good day. So, Emilio, you caught your first fish. That's what's up, man. Was it fun? How was it? What was it like?
It was pretty fun.
It was pretty fun. All right, guys, so today was all over the place. We came down here to fish. There was hundreds and hundreds of people down here for the Paddle South. We got to experience that, got to meet some of you guys. That's always really cool to meet some of the fans and some of the subscribers down here at the Riverwalk. But we had a good time going to the different booths, seeing the competition. I didn't know there was that many moves for kayaking and stuff like that. But like then look, you want to know what Emilio said? He was like, when they went underwater upside down, everybody cheered. I'm not sure if they're supposed to cheer for that. He was like, I thought they messed up. But so I didn't know that there was all kinds of tricks and Flip McNasty and all this other stuff. So that was really cool to experience that. And then, you know, we went down, since there were so many people at the Riverwalk, we went down to another spot and ended up catching a bunch of skipjacks. So that was probably the highlight of the day. We had a little bit of a competition. I don't know what you would call that, but we were catching them back to back to back. I could not get my hands on like 4 of them. So, but that was a lot of fun.
I got a freaking baby tarpon today.
He caught a monster skipjack. I was using Brandon's rod, some guy we met down at the water. I think his name's D. And so thank you for letting me use your rods to be able to catch those skipjack. But we had a blast today. So there wasn't any big fish catches or anything like that, but I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure you leave it a big thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, that little bell right beside the subscribe button. You'll be notified every single time that I post. Hope you liked today's video, guys. We got a bunch of adventures coming up. Stay tuned to the channel. That's it for Yappy Twan Twan. Peace. Wait, I mean, whoop. Oh, boop. Dang it. Boop.